Interest rates are at about 6.5% right now. What's happening? So everybody's talking about it today. It's the interest rates. We had an announcement from the Fed yesterday, and it turns out there will be no more hikes, which is great. And what we're really expecting is for there to be multiple cuts throughout this coming year in 2024. And that's great news for buyers right now. A lot of people have been on the fence and kind of weary of what the mortgage payment is for the house they're considering, especially when you're comparing it to what it could have been, a year and a half or 2 years ago. So this is great news for currently active buyers or maybe buyers that decided to take a pause. I've seen even mid sixes. So that's a big change just from yesterday. And so, like I said, great news for active buyers and people that are looking to jump back into the market. If you happen to have found the perfect house yesterday, lock in that rate today because you're going to thank yourself later. Issue here, which will be interesting, is as we progress throughout the year and if those rates do continue to decrease, what does that look like for the market? What we are expecting is that it's going to create a lot of the buyers that were hesitant to jump in, and it's going to create a lot more competition. We already have a low amount of inventory. So what we're looking at here then is the issue of competition. As more buyers jump in and the current buyers already looking, it's just going to create a demand issue. We already have a low amount of supply overall. So it'll get interesting. Prices will possibly be jumping back up. But I'm sure the Fed is going to be keeping an eye on how the markets react to all of it. That's why I think the price cut overall throughout the year will be very gradual. I think today's drop is really just a reaction to the announcement. So we'll see how that all balances out as we progress. But hey, that's awesome. Like I said, if you found a house yesterday and you put in an offer and that got accepted, maybe consider locking in that right now. I'm sure you've already had a conversation or gotten a call from your lender. So yeah, great news. Let's keep an eye on it and see where we go from here.